How to sign up or you log into your Suno AI account. So if you wish to sign up or maybe log into your Suno AI account, what we do is we simply open our browser and go to suno.com, which is the official website. From the top right hand side, you can see two options, sign in and sign up. So first of all, if you do not have an account, you can click the sign up button from the top right hand side. You can sign up using a mobile number. You can sign up using Apple ID, Discord, Facebook, Google, or your Microsoft account as well. So depending upon what is it that you prefer, you can simply select your respective details and create an account. If you already have an account, you can click the sign in button instead. And again, you can choose to sign in using your Apple ID, Discord account, Facebook account, Google account, or Microsoft account, or your phone number. In my case, I find that Google account is much more easier for me personally. So I will select the Google icon here. And when I do that, I will select the Google account that I wish to log in with. Then as I've done that, I'll be successfully logged into my Suno AI account. And this is how I can go ahead and then basically create a Suno AI account and also log in. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.